Hello from Taj Modern Medics. I've got a Peugeot 207 here on a 2006-2007 plate. I'm just changing the position lamps, which is right there on the inside, and then there's one on this side here as well. I'm just going to show you how it's done. It is quite a simple procedure, but what I'll do the hard one first. And the bulb you need is a 501 bulb, so you'll find that in the description. To do it, all you got to do is take this cover off. Once you take the cover off, on the inside, the yellow cable right there, that's where you need to do. So you won't be able to get your hand in there all the way, so you can remove this. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to squeeze my hand in. As I squeeze my hand in, and from the edge of the cable, what I'll do, I'll try to see if I can wiggle. Oh, there we go, it comes out. That's it. This is the bulb we're replacing. It is a 501 bulb. Now, as you can see, this one here is quite blown, so I've got a new one right here. Now I am on my own, so trying to fit a bulb in at the same time doing the work. And then what I do now, slot it through the gap hole, so right there on the inside. Oops. If I can't see the hole from the back, what I do, I stick the camera on the front, and as you can see right there, that's it, that's in there now. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if it's working. Right now you can see that one there is working, and this one isn't, so I'm going to replace this side as well. What I'll do before I do that, I'm going to just put the cover back on. So there's only one way the cover would go in as well, so okay, so the cover's taking the Mickey Mouse now. There we go, that slots in. So we're going to do this one now. This one's a lot easier because you got basically a lot of room here. So it's the inside bulb right there, that's what we need to do. So if I push the clip in, take the bulb out, don't have to hold it from the wire. So as you can see, these little clips right here, that's where you push in, it comes out. Now it is a 501 bulb again, so I'm just going to try to take this one out. It's a bit difficult. Here we go, that's out. Got the new one, which you'll find in the description. And now I'm going to just have to slot the bulb in. The bulb only goes one way. Oops, nearly dropped it. Don't want to be dropping this. That's it, that's in there. So I just have to locate the hole now. So the hole is right there. This is so much better on this side because there's no fuse box. That's it. And then I'll put the cover back on. Just remember this bit here. Put it on this side so it's easy to pull in. That's it. So we're just going to check. Right here. Now that you can see they're both working as well. Right, that's all you had to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, leave us a comment below. We'll try and help you out as much as we can. And do check out the playlist for Peugeot as well. We've got a playlist for bulbs and Peugeots. Do check them out as well if there's anything in particular you're looking for. Yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.